2012 Dodge Durango 5.7 all-wheel drive. We have vibration, a speed between 60 to 70. It's a high vibration with this. The whole car is shaking. And we checked everything. We checked the drive shaft, the front one, the rear drive shaft, transfer case, rear differential, front differential. If we move the front drive shaft, no vibration, no shaking. Put it back on, drive it, come back as vibration is shaking the whole vehicle. And as you see, this is a rim. This came from a Jeep. Same tires, same size, which is 265 50/20. It's a used tire, as you can see. Put it in, drove it, changed the 4 tires with the rim. Maybe somebody say, oh, maybe the rim is bent. But it's not. I will show you what's the problem now. Walk into the Jeep. That's the Jeep rim. Brand new tire. Brand new. It's a Goodyear brand. Tires, size. That's the red on it. And the problem was the tires. Tire was the problem. Goodyear. See ya.